Deep copy of DataFrame does not remove columns. I wish to use a subset of the columns of a PD date frame for further analysis. In this case, the first date frame is called data. The deep copy is called dual_data. However, afterward I find gives array true, 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 type equals bool, which should not be the case as I have just removed 3 out of 4 level 1 columns from the data PD date frame. I wish to loop through the dual_data.columns levels 1, but this now loops through columns names that don't even exist in the dual_data PD data frame. How do I make a deep copy of a subset of columns and get the correct column names in the dot levels?
You are encountering the fact that the index is not recomputed, and so the level value is redetermined when doing a selection or a copy. A workaround to trigger a rebuild of the index is to create a new index based on the actual values in the index, data.columns.values. Consider this example. As you described in your question, the levels above still include the original level values. To get clean levels, you can rebuild the index manually and assign it. See also this URL for some discussion on this issue.
Tiempo de chat es 5 que es igual.